好，我们来看一下这一道题 Global Management。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。OK， 我们来看一下第一部分 ，The one-year program of 前后连在一起 of 什么呢 ？of the Master in Global Management， 这是一个整体，所以从这里呢，从 the 到这个 management 不可以停顿。前后这个 management 后面呢，我们可以有个 tiny pause， 也就是在 be 动词 is 前面，所以这个 t 要发清楚。The one-year program of the Master in Global Management 停 is designed 不要读成 design 的，小小的拖音 is designed， 大家听很清楚 is designed only for those who have the graduate 这个 t 弱化 graduate degree in the thesis。第一部分我们来读一下。The one-year program of the Master in Global Management is designed only for those who have the graduate degree in the thesis. 第二部分 Increasing temporary skill of 前后连在一起 of 什么 of new managers in an international capacity. 这一部分呢我们不需要停，我们试一下 Increasing temporary skill of new managers in an international capacity. 没有问题吧？所以我们不需要停。Something 不要读成 something，OK？Something that 这个 t 注意 ，that 不是 that。That recruiters are looking for more and more and more。这个 that 这个 t 和 d 注意。我们读一下 ：Increasing temporary skill of new managers in an international capacity. Something that recruiters are looking for more and more。好，下面我们把第一部分和第二部分合在一起。读一下 The one-year program of the Master in Global Management is designed only for those who have the graduate degree in the thesis, increasing temporary skill of new managers in an international capacity, something that recruiters are looking for more and more. All right, thank you guys.